plain shapes. Look at the watermelons. Are they circular? What shape are they? They are oval in shape. Let us know about some more shapes. I am one of your favorite game. I have 64 squares on me. I have 32 white and black coins. Who am I? What is my shape? Yes, I am a square. I have 4 corners. All my sides are equal. I have 2 hands. And I show time. I sit on a wall. What is my shape? Yes, I am a circle. I have no sides and no corners. Children use me to read and write. They even draw pictures on me. Who am I? What is my shape? I am a rectangle. I have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. I have 4 corners. I am your favorite food made with bread slices. I'm so tasty and yummy. Who am I? What is my shape? Yes, I am a triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. All my sides may or may not be equal. Children play with me. I can fly in the air. I come in different colors. Who am I? What is my shape? Yes, I am an oval. I have no sides and no corners. Let us recall. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. All sides of a square are equal. A circle has no sides and corners. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. An oval has no sides. It is like a stretched circle.